so pretty.
I can see.
Aw, everybody's so sweet.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
You nervous?
A little bit, but I'm excited.
Do you have anything to say to your future husband so he'll see this after the wedding when you guys get your video?
You're the man of my dreams. I love you, babe.
What do you got to say?
Mom, are you from Tennessee? Because you're the only 10 I see.
I'll tell you what, when we were doing the preparation, the practice run, I was really feeling the butterflies.
Yeah? Are the feet cold or they stay in pretty warm?
No, it's just excitement, you know, it's you can't ask for a better day. It's beautiful. I'm around my friends, my family. What else is there to, what else do you want in life?
When I'm feeling lost or running low, I sink into your love just like a stone. Even if I'm miles from you, I know wherever you are, I call home.
How was it?
Amazing. Life-changing.
That was incredible.
Yeah, it's the best.
You forever in my heart. We're never running out of love, 'cause you will always be enough. If life's a journey, you're my favorite part. When you're feeling lost and running low, sink into my love just like a stone. When you're feeling lost and all alone, sink into my love just like a stone. No matter the miles from you, I know wherever you are, I call home.
Don't go to bed mad at each other.
Keep on dating.
That's what he wrote on our card, isn't it? I already wrote that on
That advice you gave us,
Keep it rolling.
do that. Advice.
Compromise.
Do you agree?
Got to.